Hey guys, so I'm driving down the road and look what I saw for sale here. It's for sale by owner. This is not a used car lot. This is a auto, air, and electric place. So I went inside, the guy's like, yeah, it's for sale. So looks like he wants about 21 grand for it. It's a 69 Plymouth Barracuda. It's got factory air conditioning and it had a rotisserie restoration, says 18 years ago. So I will put the phone number down in the bottom. If this is something you're interested in, it's in Southwest Florida. We'll take a quick look at it. They said it might be open. The owner's not here, but the guy that works for him said I could take a look at it, so that's what we're going to do. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. So 69 Plymouth Barracuda. It's supposedly all correct except for the tint on the windows. It is a really, it's that faded, not banana yellow, it's that faded bumblebee yellow, I guess. I don't know what they call it. It's got the fuel tank there with the fuel cap. And a lot of these came with 6 cylinders. I'm pretty sure this is not a 6 because I could see the exhaust. This looks really, it's not original, obviously. It's not a Survivor because it was restored 18 years ago. So this was restored like around 2000 and let's see, about 2003. Let's see, they said it was open, so we'll check it out. I don't know if it is. Yes, it is. So this is black metal up here. It's black vinyl. It is really, really, really beautiful. It even smells like new leather in here. So it's got the headliners really good. The dome light even works. So it's got black leather rear seats in it. No power windows. It's got the vent. It says 76,000 original miles on here. 76,275. There's your flashers, your lights. It's an automatic with the whole console here. Beautiful wood grain still in the console. It's got the air conditioning. You can see the air conditioning. Handbrake is right there. And so you have the floor mats. It's got black carpeting, which is in really excellent shape. Looks like the original AM/FM radio. It says Barracuda there. Barracuda up here. You got the original AM/FM radio. Max Air. So this is actually an original air car. Max Air, air conditioning, heat off, warmer with the fan here. I don't know what this was. Maybe this was left empty on purpose, who knows? But it's got the, look, miles per hour times 10. So it goes from 1 to 12 with miles per hour times 10. And alternator, gasoline, temperature, air pressure. It's got the original steering wheel. This is like a brushed aluminum. And then this is black leather. And the rest of the column is painted. It's got the automatic shifter with the wood knob on it. Still has ashtrays. We haven't seen ashtrays in a while. It's got the original seat belts up there, the visors, mirror with dice, obviously. So let's see if there's, I don't know if we can open the hood or not. Let's see if we can find the spot that opens the hood. Let's see if there is a hood release. I don't know if there's hood release. I see the brake, and looks like a cutoff switch of some kind is right there. So it may have some other thingies on it that are not factory. Let me try to figure out how can we open this hood. Oh, we can climb down and under. Pretty sure there's not going to be a latch out here. Let's see, there's the... Yeah, unfortunately I can't... Where's the latch for the hood? There's a latch for the hood. So I don't know how to release it. Sorry, guys. You can see underneath, there's the headers. So we know we got something under here. Got a really nice set of headers, exhaust. I'm hoping this is not a big block car. You can see the blue paint. The suspension. So you can see underneath is pretty clean. Not seeing any oil drippings or anything. Let me see if one of the guys knows. I'm assuming there's got to be a switch here somewhere that opens the hood. So I don't know where it is. I'm going to go ask one of the guys if they know how to open the hood on this, because I certainly don't. You can see the paint's fading and everything else.
In the hood somewhere.
Huh?
These old cars, they always hide the top.
I looked for it and I couldn't find it. Oh, it's way, I mean, there's something way under there.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, there it is. All right, so I was looking in the right place. So what is this, a 383?
Honestly, I don't even know.
So it looks like it's not a Hemi, because the heads aren't Hemi. So it's either a 440 or a 383, I think. But it's too big to be a 318. Let's see, let's look at the... So we've got a whole bunch of numbers there. There you go. If you guys want to see what's in this or what this came with, I'm just going to hold this here so you can look as much as you want, or just hit freeze frame on this. So there you go. But it's an air-conditioned car. Obviously, it's not completely stock. It's got a nice set of headers on it. It's got an aftermarket manifold, some other toys. So, and just like every Mopar, they've got body color under here instead of having black like your Chevys and your Fords. They're always painted black, but Mopar does a lot of their stuff body color. Looks like it's got the original brake system, because like everybody else, you double the horsepower and you leave the brakes to be whatever it is, because nobody cares about stopping. And they're not power brakes because there's no power to it, so that's crazy. Yeah. So it's cammed out, and that's got a EF5 system on it, right? Or electrical, not EF5. But it's got a...
No, it's the basic carburetor.
Oh, so it's not points.
Yeah, no. It's got
updated electrical smart distributor. HDI. But it sounds, you can hear the cam in this, guys. I'm going to go around the back of this thing and hear the cam. So it's got a little bit of a tap, but that's pretty much a Mopar tap. Almost every Mopar, when you turn them on cold, got that weird tap that's been sitting for some time. Yeah. So look, the horn, everything is really set up here nicely. It's all done. I mean, it was redone. Everything on here is kind of like day 2, where they change the air cleaner, you change your manifold, put some headers on it. That's all day 2 stuff, so that's all that can come back. They obviously took the stuff off of the hood, So a lot of times people, if there's some stuff on it, I don't know if this ever came with it. You guys would know by looking at the tag. And it's just a really, really clean, really, really nice. Let's see, protected to -15 Mopar antifreeze. So that might even be an original sticker that they did not remove when they did the, when they redid it and put it up. So, but it's definitely, it's got a nice sound to it. Here's the rumble, guys. You want to hear the rumble? So, there's a little bit of cam in this thing. Just a little bit of cam in this thing. Look, there's the backup lights, by the way. So, and it's got the little Nerf bars on it. So yeah, it's just a sweet ride. And I said it is for sale. I'll put the phone number down in the bottom. What's his first name? The guy you were in?
Don.
Don?
Yeah.
So if you call that number, you're going to ask for Don. It's his car. And, you know, you guys work all that out. And then if Don wants, when he sells it, he'll probably tell me stop having people call my house. So, like, but are you moving it now or not now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to take some video. They got to park it anyway for the evening. It just happened that I saw it. So we're going to watch this thing move around. I don't see any smoke or anything coming out from it. So, and that's an automatic, guys. That's an automatic. A little bit of smoke, but it sits a lot, so that's getting put away for the night. So I hope you like that. That's a really cool 69 Barracuda. So I hope you guys like that. I drove by. I said it was just at an auto electric place, and it caught my eye. It looks all original except for a couple of the day 2 things on the engine, and it's got some power to it. So if you're interested, like I said, I'll put Don's phone number in. You can reach him. Other than that, if you like this kind of thing, please subscribe. Please buy a t-shirt if you like it. Please ring the bell. Thanks for viewing. I really appreciate it. And I just really appreciate you guys all doing this. I really appreciate everybody who has watched my channel, who supported me. The comments are awesome. Everything you guys do to support is really cool. And if you like, I'm going to be making a model. I don't think it's the 69, but it's going to be a Barracuda. It's called Hemi Under Glass. So if you want to see that, that's cool. Check that out on Model Mondays coming up. I don't know when that's going to come up, but I know we're building one. So anyway, thank you. And here's April. April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.